Hi, my name is Papa Ray, and I'm so excited to be here to share this video with you. I want to share a Father's blessing with you. For all those people who have never heard your Father say, I love you and I bless you, I want to stand in that place as your Father, and I want to bless you. I don't care where you've been or what you've done. You are worthy to be blessed. And I want to do that for you. I want you to clear your calendar, turn off your phone. Because after this blessing, I want you to be able to sit and rest and reflect. And please, don't listen to this or watch this while you're driving your car. I know that you will be so blessed. My son, I want to bless you. But before I do, I have to say that I'm sorry. I'm sorry for all them times that I hurt you. I'm especially sorry for all them harsh words that I spoke to you. They were wrong. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for all the times I treated you badly and the times that I didn't show you the love that you deserved. And I'm so sorry for not spending the time with you and being patient when I was with you. I was wrong. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry I didn't hold you and love you. I'm sorry I wasn't there when you needed me. I'm sorry I didn't come to more of your events and take part in your projects. I'm sorry. I was wrong. I want you to know it was not your fault. It was my fault. I want to ask you to forgive me. I want you to say out loud, I forgive you, Father. Because without forgiveness, there is no healing. Forgiveness does not mean that I was right and you were wrong. Forgiveness is just letting go. And I want you to say, I forgive you, so that you can walk in healing. I want to bless you. I want to bless the time of your conception. And I want to say, you were not a mistake. You were not an accident. You were loved. You were accepted. You were wanted. I bless the first trimester in your mother's womb. And I say, you were not rejected. You were not unwanted. You were loved. You are accepted as a son. I bless the second trimester in your mother's womb. You were not a mistake. You were not rejected. You were not abandoned. You were loved and you were wanted. I bless this third trimester in your mother's womb. Again, you were not rejected. You are not worthless. And I break every curse that come against you. Every spoken curse, every sent curse, I break it off. I say you are loved and you are wanted. I call your spirit to life. I command your spirit to rise to the top. I command your spirit to face forward because you are worthy. You are loved, my son. And I bless the time of your birth. What a glorious day. I want you to imagine that Jesus was the first one to hold you. I want you to imagine that you're looking up into his eyes and you see how happy he is to be holding you. And I want you to know that he is the one that created your nose, your ears, your eyes, the color of your hair. My son, you were created perfect and beautiful. And I am so happy. You are so handsome. I bless you as a toddler. You were not underfoot. You were not a problem. You were loved as my son. You were wanted and you were accepted. I bless the years of your childhood. And I say you were not a rebellious problem child. You were not in the way. You were not a burden. You were loved. You were wanted. You were accepted. My son, I love you. I bless your teen years. And I say you're not a stupid, rebellious teenager. Not at all. You are not a worthless teenager. You are loved. You are wanted. You are accepted. And you can do it right. And I bless you. I have blessed you as an adult. And I say that every moment of your life, from the time of your conception to this very moment, you were not rejected. You were not abandoned. You, my son, are loved. You are accepted. You are wanted. I bless you as my son. I bless you as your father. I love you.